Hello everyone, today we will see exercise 12.2, that is verbal problems. Let me read the question first. See here, it is given that one kind of cake requires 200 gram of flour and 25 gram of fat, and another kind of cake requires 100 gram of flour and 50 gram of fat. So now we need to prepare two types of cake, right? So what are those? We will consider that one is a cake 1, okay? Cake, first kind of cake, and another one is a second kind of cake. Okay, we will consider first kind of cake as x and the second kind of cake as y. Next, what is given? To prepare those cakes, we need 200 gram of flour and 25 gram of fat. We need flour and fat. So let us write here. This is a flour, okay, and here we will write this as fat. Now we will fill this table so it will be easy. One kind of cake requires, first kind of cake requires 200 gram of flour. So this requires 200 gram of flour and 25 gram of fat. So this requires 25 gram of fat. That is the first kind of cake. Next, what is given? Another kind of cake requires 100 gram of flour. So this is requires 100 gram of flour and 50 gram of fat. So this requires this much. So clear? Next, what is given? Find the maximum number of cakes. So you have to find the maximum number of cakes. Maximum number of cake means first cake is taken as x and second type of cake taken as y. So maximum number of cake means that is z is equal to sum of these. Here, is it clear? We have to find the maximum number of cakes. So maximum number of cakes means first kind of cake plus second kind of cake. Is it clear? So here z will be sum of the first and second, that is x plus y. Next, what is given? See, find the maximum number of cakes which can be made from 5 kg of flour and 1 kg of fat. So maximum flour is there, only 5 kg availability is there, and fat is 1 kg. So this is flour will be less than or equal to 5 kg, right? Flour should be either equal to 5 kg or less than that, and fat should be less than or equal to 1 kg. Is it clear? Maximum what or less than that. I hope you understood this one. Using these data, we can form an equation, right? Let us write the equation. See here, this will be the one equation and this is another equation. 200 gram of x. So I can write 200 x plus 100 gram of y, 100 gram of y. So this is 100 gram of flour. So it is for the second kind of cake. Should be less than or equal to 5 kg is there. Here it is in the form of gram, right? So we will convert this 1 kg into gram. So this is now 5000 gram. Is it clear? So this is the first equation. Second equation will be for the fat, that is now 25x plus 50 gram, 50 y should be less than or equal to 1 kg. If you convert that one into gram, this will be 1000 gram. Is it clear? And then I can write these are the right number of cakes. So x and y should be positive. X and y should be greater than or equal to 0. Now we got constraints, right? There are 3 constraints are there. We have to find the maximum value of z. Now by using this you can solve the problem. I have it as a solution. 200x plus 100y less than or equal to 5000. You can simplify this, right? Divide. So by dividing this one, divide by 100. So this will be 2x plus this is y less than or equal to 50. Next equation is 25x plus 50y less than or equal to 1000. So here you can divide by 25. If you divide by 25, it will be x plus 2y less than or equal to 40. Now we will use these two equations to simplify, and the value of x and y greater than or equal to 0. First equation, 2x plus y is equal to 50. Substitute x as 0, y will be 50. Substitute y is equal to 0, x will be 25. This is for the first one. Draw the graph. X is 0 and y is 50. This is the point. Then y is 0, x is 25. And this is 0 and 25. Okay, draw a proper graph. Next, we will consider second equation and name the line there. Okay, and write the scale. Everything should be written. This is now x plus 2y is equal to 40. If you substitute x is y will be 20, right? If it is y is 0, x is 40, y is 0, right? X is 40. So point is here. Next, x is 0, y will be 20. So this is the point and this is the line. To find the solution region for the first one. So what is the equation? First one is 2x plus y less than or equal to 50, right? If you substitute the value origin, it will be 0 less than or equal to 50. Yes, it is true. For this line, the solution region will be downwards. Is it clear? Second one, what is the equation? X plus 2y less than or equal to 40. So if you substitute x and y 0, you get 0 less than or equal to 40. For this also it is true. So the solution region is downwards. Now what is the common region? This will be the common region for both the lines, right? So now what are the corner points here? This is 0, 0. This will be x-axis 0, y-axis 20, and this point, check in your graph, this will be 20 and 10, and this point will be 25 and 0. Those are the corner points. So we need to substitute those corner points. Actually, this is an important problem. Okay. See here. 0, 0. So z is, you have to find the maximum value for z is equal to x plus y, right? Number of cakes you have to find. So 0, 0 will be 0. Next point, x is 0, y is 20, you will get 20. Then 20 and 10, you will get it as 30. Next one is 25 and 0, you will get it as 25. So the maximum value is 20, right? So how many cakes you can make? So total maximum number of cake made from this one is 30. That is, first kind will be 20 and second kind will be 10. Is it clear? Finally you have tried. So the maximum number of cakes made from this is 30. In that, first kind of cake is 20 and second kind of cake is 10. Now we'll see the next question. See, the question is given. A factory makes tennis rackets and cricket bats. There are two things are there. One is, first one is tennis, right? Rackets, and another one is cricket bats. So two types are given. Now a tennis racket takes 1.5 hours of a machine time and 3 hours of a craftsman's time, and in its making, while a cricket bat takes 3 hours of machine time and 1 hour of craftsman time. So there are two types are given, right? Time is in the two types, that is, one is in the machine time, another one is the craftsman time. So we are here we can write, one is a machine time. Is it clear? Machine time, another one is craftsman's time. I hope you are getting this one. Okay. The factory is making two types, that is, one is tennis racket and cricket bats. To make these two things, they need, one is a machine time, another one is a craftsman time. Now we will fill this one. So what is given now? A tennis racket takes 1.5 hours of a machine time. This takes 1.5 hours of a machine time and 3 hours of a craftsman's time. So 3 hours of a craftsman's time. That is for the tennis racket. Next, while a cricket bat takes 3 hours of machine time, this takes 3 hours of machine time and 1 hour of craftsman's time. This is given. Next, in a day, the factory has the availability of not more than 42 hours of machine time and 24 hours of craftsman's time. So a maximum time they can take for the machine, for this one machine time will be 42 hours, and for the craftsman's time it will be 24. So this value should be less than or equal to 42, right? Maximum available time is 42 or less than that. Within that they have to finish this one. Next, this one less than or equal to 24. Availability of the maximum time for the craftsman, it will be 24, either equal to 24 or less than 24. Is it clear? Now by using this, we can make our equation. What are the equations now? 1.5 x, right? So we will consider this as x. Is it clear? tennis rackets will consider as x and this will consider as y. By using these things we will make an equation. So this will be 1.5x plus 3y is less than or equal to 42. Everything is in hours, right? So directly we can write. So this will be now 3x plus y is less than or equal to 24. We got two equations. Obviously this x and y will be a positive quantity. So x and y should be greater than or equal to 0. These are the constraints, right? Now to solve this problem we need the objective function. We'll see this one. See, the question is, what number of rackets and bats must be made if the factory is to work at full capacity? That is the first question. Second question is, if the profit on a racket and on a bat is rupees 20 and rupees 10 respectively, profit is given. Obviously it will gives you a objective function, right? In the profit on a racket it will be 20 rupees and on bat it will be 10 rupees. So what will be Z? Z is now on racket they will get a 20 rupees profit. So this will be 20x, right? Plus on cricket bats they will get a 10 rupees of profit. So this will be now 10y. Is it clear? So now we have the objective function and we have the constraints. By using this one we can solve the equations and we can find the maximum value, maximum number of tennis racket and cricket bats to get a maximum profit. See this, the first equation, 1.5x plus 3y is equal to 42. Whenever the value of x is 0, y will be 40 and y is 0, x will be 28. If you want you can take this as 3 by 2. For the simplification it will be easy. So this is the equation of our first line, that is x is 0, y is 40. Another one is x is 28 and y is 0. So this is the equation of our first line, and equation of our second line. See here, 3x plus y less than or equal to 24 we have to consider is equal to 24. If the value of x is 0, y will be 24. If the value of y is 0, x will be 8. So points are 0, 24 and 8, 0. So this is the line. Now to find the solution region, check with the origin value. If you substitute with the first equation, 0 less than or equal to 40, so it is true, right? Solution region of the first line which includes the origin. If you substitute here 0 less than or equal to 24, here also it is true, right? The solution region includes the origin part for the second one also. So what will be the common region? Now we will get this as a common region. Nothing is in here. You have studied these things in your first PUC, right? So this is the common region. Now what are the corner points? One point is here 0, 0. Next this is 0, 40 and this will be 4, 12. Check in your graph. It should be 4 and 12, or else you solve these two equations you get it as 4 and 12. Next is 8 and 0. So substitute the corner points in the value. Z is given, right? Objective function it is 20x plus 10y. If you substitute 0 and 0, this will be 0. 0 and 14 will get 140. 4 and 12 will get 200 and 8 and 0 it will be 160. So the maximum profit is 200 rupees. Is it clear? Maximum profit is 200 rupees. For that they have to make 4 bats. Sorry, first one rackets, right? Yeah. 4 tennis rackets and 12 cricket bats. Is it clear? There are two questions. So first, for the first question, you need to write they have to make 4 tennis rackets and 12 cricket bats, and the maximum profit is 200 rupees by making 4 tennis rackets and 12 bats. So the next question, that is the fifth one. See here, fourth one is homework. You have to do that one, and it is a very important question and it is based on the nuts and bolts. Simple it is. You can do that one. It is a repeated question. Okay, compulsorily you have to do that. Now we'll see the next one. See this question. Listen carefully. A factory manufactures two types of screws, A and B. So factory is manufacturing two types of screws, that is A and B. Let us consider that. First one is the screw A, another one is the screw B. Is it clear? Factory is manufacturing two types of screws. So we will consider this as X and this as Y. Next, what is given? Each type of screw requires the use of two machines. Okay, one is an automatic and another one is a hand operated. Next, what it is given that it takes 4 minutes on the automatic and 6 minutes on the hand operated machines to manufacture a package of screw A. So two more things what is given. To manufacture this one, they need one is a automatic machine, another one is a hand operated machine, right? So we'll take this one. This is a automatic machine. Here we'll consider automatic and here hand machine. Hand operated machine, okay? Hand operated machine and this is the automatic machine. Now we'll fill this one. First, each type of screw requires the use of two machines. Yeah. An automatic and hand operated. It takes 4 minutes on the automatic and 6 minutes on the hand operated machines to produce a package of screw A. So this will be screw A. 4 minutes for automatic and 6 minutes for the hand operated. Is it clear? See, for a screw B, why it takes 6 minutes on automatic and 3 minutes on hand operated machines to manufacture a package of screw B. 6 minutes on automatic. So this will be now 6 minutes and on this one hand it will be 3 minutes. Okay. Now it is given that each machine is available for the at most 4 hours on any day. At most 4 hours. At most 4 hours means maximum they can take 4 hours or less than that for the each machine in the sense for the automatic as well as for the hand operated maximum hours is 4 hours it is given. So that should be here, this should be less than or equal to 4 hours. So clear? This is also less than or equal to 4 hours. This is also less than or equal to 4 hours. One more thing you have to observe here, these are in minutes, so this is in hours, so we need to convert this one into the minutes. So we'll multiply with 60, 4 into 60 will be 240. So here also it is 240. Is it clear? Now by using this one you can write the constraints. Now we'll check what is that. Now after that what is given? The manufacturer can sell a package of screw A at a profit of rupees 7 from the sell of this one. Screw A, they'll get the profit of 7 rupees. So this will be now 7x plus, okay. Next what is given? And screw B at a profit of 10 rupees. So this will be now 10 1. Is it clear? So this is a objective function. Next what is given? Assume that he can sell all the screws he manufactures. How many packages of each type should the factory owner produce in a day in order to maximize the profit? Determine the maximum profit. So we have to maximize this objective function. Now it is simple. I think you can solve this one. Now I am not going to solve this. Solve this one. So Z you have and the equations are there. So what will be the equation here? 4 minutes. So that will be 4x plus 6 minutes. 6y should be less than or equal to 240. We can divide by 2. So this will be now 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 120. You can write this equation. Second equation will be there. 6x right plus 3y is less than or equal to here 240. So here you can divide by 3. If you divide by 3 this will be 2x plus y less than or equal to 80. Yes, these are the one more thing you have. This is compulsory. You have to write x and y both are positive. There cannot be negative, right? Because you are making screw. Number of screws A. This is the number of screws A and this is the number of screws of B. So this cannot be negative. So x and y is greater than or equal to 0. So these are the 3 constraints. Okay. By using this one, solve, draw the graph and find the solution region and check with the common region, then find the corner points. After that substituting this equation and find the maximum value, and finally you have to write how many screw A they have to produce and how many screw B they have to produce. Problem, okay, but let me tell the answer. Fifth one, right? Yeah, fifth one answer will be 30 package of screw A and 20 package of screw B. I mean at the point 30, 20, you have to get the maximum profit. That means 30 package of screw A and 20 screw B. They have to produce to get the maximum profit, and the maximum profit will be rupees 410. This should be the final answer. Okay. At the point 30 and 20, they'll get the maximum profit and profit will be 410. Verify your answer.